Princess, how's your foot?
It's still hurting.
So how you manage to hurt your foot?
It's after we done perform, we are running off at the stage and we go drop on every foot, but we don't know how much hurt my foot.
It just hurt you after you get up, or it take long for that?
It hurt me the next day. Come and drop on my knee, I don't know how my foot started hurting.
So you drop on your knee and your ankle get affected?
I have my ring my foot or something.
Alright, we'll go to the doctor now and we'll see what I'm going to do. Alright? Let's go. So based on the swelling on your ankle, the doctor gave me a X-ray form. So I have to do an X-ray on your foot, and him said must bring back the result when you get it done, so you can see what exactly happened to your foot, and that way him can prescribe something else. But for the meantime, him prescribe something for the pain and the swelling now. Alright?
So Daddy, is the X-ray to examine the bone?
Yes, Princess. It shows what's happening with the bone. If it's in place or it's out of place or whatever joint. Yeah, it also shows results about joints as well.
Okay, Daddy, so when are you going to fill the prescription?
No need to feel anyway, alright? You'll get the word soon. It's prescription. And I'll fill it today so you can start taking the medications today. Whichever ointment you get, start rub it on today when we go home, alright?
Alright, but we're going to fill it at the doctor?
No, Princess, no, it's not at the doctor. Alright, so the doctor gave the prescription and you have to fill it at the pharmacy. Alright?
Okay. Can I come with you?
Well, not today, Princess. The doctor say you need to rest the foot, don't pressure it. You must hardly be on it and all of that, so no, you can't come. Alright, but you have to go home. You have to make sure say you make your lunch and all of that before you go.
Okay, I understand.
Princess, it's so sad. You know, Daddy. Stop going.
Daddy,
Yes.
what antibiotics?
Maybe she didn't work.